The book that we are reading this week is called City Street. The cover of our story has our title, which is City Street, our author, which is Harriet Rosenblum, and our illustrator, Meryl Rain. Our focus question when we read City Street is, what do you see in the city? Some of the words that we need to know when we're reading this book are buildings, bus, city, food, people, sidewalk, steps, street, taxi. The steps, the sidewalk, the food, the buildings, the taxi, the bus, the people, the street. What were some of the things that you saw in our story? What did you see in the city? Some things that I remember seeing are the sidewalk, the people, and the street. What were some of the things that you saw in our story?